story's title is Daisy, Mommy, and the Never-Ending Worries. Written by Eva Mendes. Illustrated by Abby Bryant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mommy! There's a monster under my bed!
No way, Chica. I already cleared out all the monsters while you were at school. Are you saying there's another one?
Stop kidding, Mommy. Come quick, I'm scared.
See? No monsters. What's up, mi amor? What's got you so worried?
I don't know, Mommy. It feels like I'm always worried. Maybe it's my brain that's the monster?
Oh, Daisy, your brain isn't a monster. It's a big, beautiful part of you. But it's just that, a part of you. And brains need to be busy. They've got lots of jobs that they do all the time.
My brain has a job? But I'm just a kid.
Yes, ma'am. Your brain totally has a job. Every part of your body has a job. And you're the boss. Your brain has lots of jobs. It's responsible for learning new things, solving problems, and helping you enjoy the world around you, to name just a few. Sometimes our brains get used to being on high alert and forget how to relax. In fact, we don't feed our brains good things we want to think about. They can act like bullies with thoughts we don't want to think about. Interesting, no?
What? My brain can be a bully to me? So how do I make my brain relax and have fun when a monster under my bed?
Mi amor, do you really think there are monsters under the bed?
Well, maybe not, but sometimes scary thoughts get stuck in my head and I don't know why.
You know what? Sometimes that happens to me too, and I also don't know why. One scary thought pops up and then another, and then before I know it, I just feel worried. It's like a runaway train.
More like a runaway brain.
Daisy adds. Exactly, says Mummy. What do you think we should do, Daisy?
Well, I think I should be the boss of my brain. And sometimes bosses tell you what to do.
Yes, Chiquita. We are not our brains, Daisy. So that means we are not our thoughts. Just because we think it doesn't make it true. What if you try to separate yourself from your thoughts?
When I pictured my thoughts being separate from me, I felt calm for a minute. That's really nice.
Yes, mi niña. Now let's practice sending positive thoughts to our brains. That way, it's harder for negative thoughts to take over.
So I'm just training my brain?
Daisy, that's genius. I've never thought of it like that. What's one thing that you have worried about tonight?
I guess maybe that really scary monster face with the red eyes from the movie I was watching. So creepy.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That scared me too. Now, you see those clouds? We should picture the red-eyed monster in them. Trust me, Des. Picture it. See the monster in that cloud. We can face the monster.
It's scary.
I know, but stay with me. Let's take a deep breath in through our noses and blow out of our mouths. And blow that sucker as far away as we can.
Mommy, I still see it. Red eyes and all. Yup, it's right there. We need to keep blowing.
Blow it deep into space. Okay, another breathe in through your nose and blow it out of your mouth. Away. Even farther this time.
It's working. Let's blow it farther away.
Cries Daisy. You got this, muchacha. Thoughts are like clouds. Blow away the ones you don't like and ride on the ones you do. Mummy whispers. Bravo, Daisy. You faced your fears tonight and I'm so proud of you. Buenas noches, baby Ignacio. Te amo, Daisy.
Mommy?
Just blow the clouds away like we practiced. You got this, Desi.
The end.
Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.